If you want to disable OneDrive integration in Windows 11, whether you're trying to stop automatic syncing, reduce clutter, or just take back control of your PC, this guide will walk you through the fastest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow near the system tray to reveal hidden icons. Once you spot the OneDrive cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Inside the panel, look for the gear icon. Click the gear icon, then choose Settings from the menu. This opens the OneDrive settings window where you can manage your account and sync options. Now go to the Account tab. This is where your OneDrive connection to your Windows 11 device is managed. To stop OneDrive from staying linked to this PC, click Unlink This PC. Windows will ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and click Unlink Account. This breaks the connection between OneDrive and your computer, which is a big step toward disabling the integration. But we're not finished yet. To make sure OneDrive doesn't keep launching automatically in the background, we need to disable it from startup. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details so you can see all the available tabs. Next, open the Startup Apps tab. This section controls which programs start automatically when Windows boots up. Scroll through the list and look for Microsoft OneDrive. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar if available, or take a moment to scan the list carefully. Once you find Microsoft OneDrive, right-click it and then click Disable. This prevents OneDrive from starting automatically every time you turn on your computer. That means fewer background processes, less syncing, and a cleaner Windows 11 startup experience. After that, you can close Task Manager. At this point, OneDrive integration and automatic syncing should now be disabled on your Windows 11 device. Depending on your system settings, OneDrive may still be installed, but it will no longer be actively tied into your startup and account sync the way it was before. If you ever decide you want OneDrive back later, you can reverse these steps by relinking your account and enabling it again in Task Manager. So this is a safe and reversible way to take control without permanently damaging anything on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows 11 tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.